Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CGS.insight. Here you will find a monthly compilation of concise and relevant current affairs. I hope you will find it useful. Let's start. This is November 2024 collection of current affairs. Here we start 54th Gyanpith Prize 2024 is given to Mithun Chakrabarti. Kerala has earned the top spot in the Urban Governance Index (UGI) 2024 by the Praja Foundation. Archaeologists have recently found the oldest ancient eyeliner at an archaeological site called Yesilova Oyuk in Turkey. BharatGen is a major new project in generative AI, which is a type of artificial intelligence that can create text, images, or even sound. The goal of BharatGen is to improve public services and increase citizen participation in India using AI. This project was officially launched in New Delhi by Dr. Jitendra Singh. Next, Vaidya Devendra Triguna, who has received prestigious honors like the Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan, has played a key role in spreading the practice of Ayurveda around the world as the president of the All India Ayurvedic Congress. Taiwan has received its first shipment of 100 land-based Harpoon anti-ship missiles from US, which arrived at Kaohsiung port. Next, IIT Madras have developed new technique to treat eye problems like retinal tears and diabetic retinopathy. Next, India's National Large Solar Telescope project has been started in Ladakh. Scientists announced the discovery of a lost Maya city in the Mexican jungle. This finding was made possible through the use of LIDAR technology. Chief Vigilance Commissioner has been appointed Mr. Praveen Kumar Srivastava. The Indian Army will participate in the 15th edition of the India-US Joint Special Forces exercise Vajra Prahar. This exercise will take place from November 2 to November 22, 2024 in USA. The Indian government has launched the Namo Drone Didi scheme. This initiative aims to empower women's self-help groups by providing them. The scheme is a part of Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Rural Livelihood Mission (DAY-NRLM). It has an allocation of ₹1261 crores and will run from 2024 to 2026. The goal is to support farmers by offering drone rental services for agricultural tasks. Next, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu launched the Deepam 2.0 scheme. This initiative offers free gas cylinders to women. The Durgesh Aranya Zoological Park. It is in Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh. Will be the first zoo in India to gain certification from the Indian Green Building Council. Eighth edition of the joint exercise named Garud Shakti 24 between India and Indonesia will be held in Sijantung, Jakarta from November 1 to November 12. 2024. According to IMF International Monetary Fund, the top 10 countries most prepared for AI in 2023 are Singapore tops the rank with a score 0.80, and second rank is awarded to United States. Researchers from the California Institute of Technology and the Massachusetts Institute of Technology has revealed the existence of a black hole triple system. This discovery marks the first time scientists have identified such a configuration in space. The system is located approximately 8,000 light years from Earth in the constellation Cygnus. Indian Council of Medical Research launches first in the World Challenge Initiative. First Asian Buddhist Summit 2024 will be held in New Delhi. Botswana sixth President Duma Boko, Secretary General of World Agriculture Forum, Dr. Jacqueline d'Arros Hughes. An important global effort is underway, led by hundreds of scientists drafting the GEO-7 report. This initiative under the United Nations Environment Programme (UNEP) aims to address critical environmental challenges. The seventh edition of GEO is to be published at the United Nations Environmental Assembly (UNEA-7) in December 2025. The seventh session of the International Solar Alliance Assembly took place in New Delhi on December 5, 2024, and Mr. Ashish Khanna from India has selected as the new Director General of ISA. Japan launches world's first wooden satellite. The fifth edition of the Vietnam-Indian bilateral army exercise, that is WinBEX 2024, it will commence in Ambala. Silk Samagam Mela 2024, it will be held in New Delhi Heart, New Delhi. Boxer Mandeep Jangra won the World Boxing Federation Super Featherweight World title. He achieved this victory by defeating British boxer Conor McIntosh. The Henley Passport Index reveals that Singapore has hold the title of the world's most powerful passport. Top ranking: Singapore first place, United States 8, India 83 place. Total countries are 58. Oh. Next is Henley Passport Index 2024. Top ranking: Singapore has first rank among 195 countries. India has 83rd place. Next, Tanushree Pandey from India won a silver medal at the World Super Tennis Championship 2024. That event took place in Jingshan, China. World Travel Market (WTM) in London from 5 to 7 November 2024. Neft Dasari, also known as Oil Rock, is the world's oldest offshore oil platform. It is situated in Baku, Azerbaijan. Zolgensma is a spinal gene therapy. The second edition of the Indian Military Heritage Festival is taking place in New Delhi on November 8 to 9, 2024. India is preparing for an important military exercise named Purvi Prahar. World Radiography Day is celebrated on 8 November. The Anti-Terror Conference 2024 headed by Mr. Amit Shah will be held in New Delhi. Anil Pradhan from Odisha wins Rohini Nayyar Prize for Rural STEM Education. STEM is related with science, technology, engineering, and maths. Allulose is a terminology that is related with the rising sweetener in South Korea. The Adaptation Gap Report 2024 marks the urgent need for enhanced climate adaptation efforts globally. Vulnerable nations face increasing climate impact. The UNEP stresses the importance of financial commitment at COP29. Himachal Pradesh claim on Sonan hydro project. It is dispute between Himachal and Punjab. The UNESCO Global Education Monitoring Report 2024 reveals a troubling reality. Despite progress in school enrollment, 251 million children and youth remain out of school still. Since the adoption of the UN Sustainable Development Goal on Education in 2015, 110 million more children have entered in schools. The QS Asia University Ranking 2025 have been released. Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, has achieved the highest position in India. It ranks 44th overall in Asia. Next exercise, Ostrahin has commenced in Pune, Maharashtra. The joint military exercise runs from 8 to 21st November 2024. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently addressed a rally in Nasik. He brought into light the Mahayuti government's Ladki Bahin Yojana. The scheme aims to empower underprivileged women in Maharashtra. The South Korean 4B movement. This movement advocates for women to abstain from dating, sex, marriage, and childbirth. Next, the 83rd annual session of the Indian Road Congress is currently taking place in Raipur, Chhattisgarh in 2024. The International Week of Science and Peace occurs every year from November 9 to 15. This event promotes peace through scientific collaboration. It began in 1986. Next, Bengaluru is set to launch its first digital population clock. Hindalco tops global sustainability ranking again. Ani Sarkar, a 3-year-old from Kolkata, has recently gained international attention. He has become the youngest chess player ever named by the International Chess Federation (FIDE). The 12th session of the World Urban Forum (WUF12) occurred in Cairo from 4 to 8 November 2024. The Indian naval sailing vessel INSV Tarini has successfully completed a 39-day voyage. This journey began on October 2, 2024 from Goa. Kerala launches seaplane service for tourism. On November 5, 2024, the world witnessed a groundbreaking event. The first wood-paneled satellite, named LingoSat, was launched into space, developed by Kyoto University in collaboration with Sumitomo. The 8th International Ancient Art Festival 2022 took place in the Indian Indira Gandhi National Centre for the Arts. India launches Rupee 200 crore decentralized green hydrogen device initiative. Green Hydrogen Initiative. India is hosting an important military exercise called Antariksha Abhyas from 11 to 13 November 2024. Samantha Harvey UK has won the prestigious Booker Prize for her novel Orbital 2024. 25th South Asian Telecommunication Regulators Council SATRC 2024 in Delhi. Next, the National Education Society for Tribal Students (NESTS) is set to organize the 5th National EMRS Cultural and Literacy Fest and Kalotsav from 12 to 15 November 2024 in Khandagiri, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Shigeru Ishiba, new Prime Minister of Japan. Pankaj Advani has made history by winning 28th world title. He achieved this remarkable feat at the IBSF World Billiard Championships in Doha. Advani defeated England Robert Hall, Pantir S1, India's new missile gun system from Russia. It will be imported. The 16th India Game Developer Conference (IGDC 2024) it will be held in Hyderabad. Alex Diddler Fields ME has recently taken office as Prime Minister of Haiti. First all-woman battalion in CISF approved by central government. Amazon has recently opened its first Amazon Future Engineer Makerspace in Bengaluru. IBM opened Gen AI Center in Kochi. Denmark launches Sovereign AI Supercomputer Initiative. The new collective quantified goal is a focal point in COP29 conference. It aims to secure $5 to 6.8 trillion for developing countries by 2030. Keris Woomera 2024. This is joint military exercise between Indonesia and Australia. The International Conference on Communication and Dissemination of Traditional Knowledge commenced at Gurugram University. 2024. The 43rd India International Trade Fair (IITF) commenced on November 14, 2024 at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. Mauritius Prime Minister has been appointed Mr. Naveen Ramagulam. The Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council has partnered with the Aditya Mehta Foundation to create the world's most high-altitude para-sport center in Leh. NVIDIA and SoftBank Corp have successfully piloted the world's first artificial intelligence and 5G telecom network. This test has been successfully done. India's sport industry is expected to grow to $130 billion by 2030. APEC Summit 2024 Lima, Peru. State Bank of India plans to borrow up to $1.25 billion, making it the biggest dollar from India's financial sector in 2024. First overseas campus of Symbiosis University has been established in Dubai. Pando, world's oldest living organism, this ecosystem is in Utah, USA. Telangana announces 100% tax exemption for electrical vehicles. Center plans Tuna Export Hub in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. G20 Conference 2024 in Rio de Janeiro, where President Luis Inacio welcomed the members. The Global Freight Summit 2024 commenced in Dubai on November 18, making its third edition since 2022. K. Sanjay Murthy, new Controller and Auditor General of India, Defence Minister Mr. Rajnath Singh will visit Vientiane, Laos from November 20 to 22, where he will attend the ASEAN Defence Minister Meeting plus ADMM plus, which focuses on regional and global security issues. Next, the Chennai-Vladivostok Eastern Maritime Corridor has commenced operations, which facilitates the transport of oil, food, and machinery. Dudhmaras in Chhattisgarh, the best tourism village by UNWTO. The Global Soil Conference 2024 took place in New Delhi. Global anti-doping training begins in India. Daniel Barenboim and Anwad conferred with Indira Gandhi Prize 2023. India and Italy forged strategic partnership 25 to 29. Aphantasia is a fascinating condition that affects visual imagination. First noted in the 1880s by Francis Galton, the term itself was introduced in 2015 by neurologist Adam Chayman, and recent studies have shed light on how this condition works. Bihar launches Mahila Samvad Empowerment Program. India-Sweden Partnership for Green Steel. India launches first AI data bank. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Guyana on November 20, 2024 marked a moment in diplomatic relations. This visit was the first by an Indian head of state in over 50 years. Modi attended the second India CARICOM summit, focusing on enhancing ties between India and Caribbean nations. Next, India ranks 10th in Climate Change Index 2025. The India women's hockey team currently achieved a milestone and won their third Asian Champions Trophy title. The victory occurred at the Rajgir Hockey Stadium in Bihar. Nafithromycin, that is India's first antibiotic to combat resistance. The Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited has partnered with H2 Global Stiftung to advance India's progress in green hydrogen development. The most expensive passport belong to Mexico. Armenia has become the 104th full member of the International Solar Alliance. India is set to host the International Cooperative Alliance General Assembly and Global Cooperative Conference in Delhi. Next, Bihar will host Khelo India Youth Games 2025. India will inaugurate its first Constitution Museum in Sonipat, Haryana. IndusLand Bank partners with UNICEF for climate action. India among top 10 countries with AI readiness. Global Plastics Treaty 2024, Busan, Korea. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was honored with the Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Global Peace Award 2024 in Washington. It has been debated on November 25, a campaign titled "Ab Koi Bahana Nahi" will be launched, which aims to combat gender-based violence across India. It is a collaborative effort by the Minister of Women and Child Development and Rural Development with support UN Women. Next, India's PSLV rocket will launch two satellites on December 4 in 2024, named Proba 3, which is a groundbreaking endeavor. The India Global Forum's Middle East and Africa 2024 commenced in Dubai, a two-day event that unites leaders from India, the Middle East, and Africa. The theme is Limitless Horizon. Next, the Union Cabinet has recently approved Atal Innovation Mission 2.0, which will run until March 31st, 2028. The Indian Coast Guard will conduct SAREX 24 in Kochi, Pune to host historic Army Day Parade 2025. India has recently inaugurated its first green hydrogen fueling station in Leh. Yamandu Orsi, Uruguay's new president. Sjogren's disease is an autoimmune condition which primarily attacks moisture-producing glands. This leads to symptoms like dry eye and mouth. Many patients suffer for years before diagnosis. 12th International Tourism Mart in Kaziranga 2024. 13th Plenary Meeting of the United Nations Global Geospatial Information Management. For the Asia Pacific region, this important event will take place from November 26 at Bharat Mandapam. UNGGIM. 8-year-old Devit Reddy from Hyderabad recently achieved a remarkable feat. He won the Under-8 World Cadets Championship. Next, India has achieved remarkable progress in the Network Readiness Index (NRI 2024). The country has climbed 11 places to rank 49th from the 16th in 2023. Take Me to Space, a Hyderabad-based company, will launch MOITD, which represents India's first AI lab in space. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and moving ahead with cgs.insight. The PDF link is given in the description. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.